Hey guys, Tatiani Favors here, your tax business coach. And in this presentation today, we're going to explore how AI can save you time and help you develop efficient SOPs. Yes, we'll discuss why this is important, compare traditional methods with our innovative approach, and show how our course ensures a smooth transition for you and your team. So let's go ahead and get into this SOP talk, okay? Because SOPs are the backbone of any successful tax business, okay? SOPs, they bring clarity, they ensure consistency, and ultimately keep your clients returning each and every tax season. But let's talk about what is an SOP. First of all, is short for Standard Operating Procedure, which essentially is the detailed process in which something is done within your business. So let me give you an example. The process a client goes through from the time they are introduced to your brand, whether it be social media, you are at a networking event, however they're introduced to your brand, all the way up until you e-file their tax return and get paid. The steps that they experience is what I call a client onboarding SOP. Okay. In layman's terms, the steps in which you accomplish various tasks in your tax business is what an SOP is. So, the challenge, though, with SOPs is that creating them can be overwhelming. They can be time consuming and frustrating, especially if you have never done them before. So, traditionally, creating SOPs could take weeks, even months in some people's cases, okay? But now imagine creating comprehensive SOPs using AI in as little as a couple of days to a week compared to weeks and months. That's the power of AI in revolutionizing SOP creation for your tax business. And that's precisely what I want to open your eyes to. Accomplishing important goals in your tax business in less time, okay? And AI doesn't just speed up the process, it enhances the quality of your SOPs, ensuring that they're thorough and aligned with your existing business module. Because listen, to be frank, I am not about to teach y'all how to create SOPs that are not in alignment with how you want to run your business and how you are. Okay. It is very important to me as a business owner. So I feel it's very important to you to make sure that your tax business is a reflection of you, your morals, okay, and what you stand on as you're making an impact in the world and as you are making a profit, as you are making that impact. Okay. So once you create your SOPs, your time is freed up. You can now focus on what matters most, which is growing your tax business, acting as the CEO of your tax business, okay? And you can grow your tax business using the SOPs you've created in a more streamlined way. But I know you're like, okay, all of this sounds so great, but how do I do all of this? And I understand the challenges that you face. Knowing that it's in your best interest to produce SOPs for your tax business, but not having the clarity on how to do so, or even the time to be able to do so efficiently. It's okay because I've created the solution for you. I've developed a course that empowers you to harness the power of AI for your SOP creation. And so, what's the goal? My goal when I first created this course was actually for my Tax Boss Academy students, okay? For my Tax Boss Academy students. And I figured this is so good for them that I believe AI is ready to be released to the public. Every tax professional, no matter if they are part of my academy or not, should be exposed to this because it's such a game changer. And so the goal is to reduce your workload, to increase the efficiency of your SOPs, and to transform your tax business to what you've envisioned in your head quicker, guys, game changing quicker. Okay. So, our course provides hands on lessons on interacting with AI, crafting effective prompts, and transforming business processes creations, okay? We're not just introducing you to AI, we're helping you master it for your business needs. So let's take a look at the first round of topics that will be released. First module is Introduction to AI and Your Tax Business, okay? I want you to understand the potential of AI and how it can bring clarity to your operations. It's not good enough for me to just teach you how, but for you to understand how it works so you can duplicate this process over and over again so you can continually get results in whatever area you want to get results in. The next module, we're talking all about marketing, baby, how to market your tax business, how to effectively market your tax services, okay? The next module is all about content creation. If you market your tax business or want to market your tax business on social media, you need to know how you can streamline your content. It's all about bulk content creation and effective, engaging content creation. If you want to play the social media game, then you have to be out here consistently because everyone is on social media. But how do you do that? Sometimes that can be overwhelming. We have an entire content creation module for you. Next, of course, and we talked about this in this video, streamlining SOPs and processes. Don't have to go deep into that, but it teaches you how to enhance and or create your SOPs. The next module, building your team, okay? A lot of you all are in the process of scaling your tax business, so you're ready to build a team. You can figure out and find out how AI can help in the hiring process, okay? And even optimizing your team performance. Of course, leveraging contract creation. Okay, so once you hire, you might need NDAs. You might need a tax preparer's contract, agreements. Okay, you might need those things. In this module, we teach you how to create an effective contract. Now, of course, everything that AI creates, you always still want to get it looked at. So I suggest you still take this contract and have someone look over it. If you have an attorney, it's much cheaper to have them revise something than to have them create something, okay? So that can also decrease your outsourcing overhead as well. Also, learning how to effective plan, okay? Without a business plan, you will not meet your goals because you won't know what your goals are. Success is planned, okay? It doesn't happen by accident. You have to plan your success. Without an effective business plan, how will you know what you need to do to get to where you're trying to go? Okay, AI can help us create that effective business plan. And then, of course, we're going to discuss how we can continue to utilize AI in your tax business for ongoing results. Okay, so the future of our industry is unfolding, guys. Okay, and AI, fortunately or unfortunately, is leading the charge, whether you like it or not. So the question is, will you be left behind or will you be at the forefront of this revolution? Okay. My course offers you a chance to leap ahead. What's taking other people weeks and months to do can take you hours, days, and weeks to do. Okay. But when other people lack clarity, you can have the exact clarity to know exactly what you want to do with your tax business. I do not want you to miss out on this opportunity to expedite your growth and elevate your tax business. Okay. So make sure to secure your access to all future updates and additions without paying more when you grab this course today, okay? Click the link below to kickstart your transformative journey today. And let's go ahead and start planning your tax business and getting ready for this upcoming tax season, guys, okay? I'll see you next video.